Hi, my name is Chriselle Shirtliff. I am doing my career profile on MST therapist, being an MST therapist. It is with an organization called Savio, which is featured or centered out of Denver, Colorado. The work environment it's a larger organization. It has 5 different offices throughout the state of Colorado. The hours are very flexible. Some of them require you to work night shifts, others require you to work into the children's or families' homes. So they require you to be super flexible. They are very personable, very family oriented. An MST therapist focuses a lot on how to have the parents facilitate or be an active participant of their teenagers or youth behavioral problems. Typical stressors in this job would, of course, have to be the paperwork, the excessive amount of paperwork that a therapist has to fill out for the courts and for the schools. They would have to, another stressor they'd have to be into the homes, and so they'd have to see firsthand the abuse that was going on. And they would have to facilitate, or they would have to write that abuse and present it to the courts. Another stressor they would have to work with a parent or a child who refuses to understand or work well with the program that they're trying to initiate. Typical benefits is they have 8 paid holidays, medical and dental insurance, paid sick and vacation time after 6 months. The plan provides a cash benefit to those employees who retire from Savio at age 59 or older, and at least 20 years of service with Savio. Some common job tasks is you are required to provide a community-based treatment for youth and family with complex clinical, social, and educational problems. You will be required to go into the homes of these families to initiate the MST program to provide the parents with a better facilitating of their child's behavioral problems. They are to hold MST assessment, including review of referral information, identifying and engaging key participants, identifying systematic strengths and weaknesses, and developing an analysis of the fit system that will help them overcome their barriers of engagement. They are to help the parents specifically increase their activity involvement in their child's behavior. They are supposed to keep specific and clear documentation on how well the participants use the 9 principles of the MST program, which I will go over a little bit later. They are to provide direct clinical treatment using the MST principles and practices. And you are required to go to all of the MST training, supervision, and consultation activities. For your requirements, educational requirements, you're required to have a master's degree in either counseling, psychology, or social work. You have to be registered in the Colorado Registered Licensed Psychotherapy Database, and you must have a criminal background check and a current valid driver's license with no motor vehicle record, or a clear motor vehicle record. A starting salary range for an MST therapist is around $42,000 to $44,000 a year. If you are experienced, then the highest you can get is $61,000. That is very rare. So just some miscellaneous career information. A lot of people don't know what an MST is. It stands for Multisystemic Therapy. Their mission is to help troubled youth overcome their behavior through fixing the problem at home and initiating the parents as the primary caregiver, the primary fixer for their child's behavioral problems. They are to give the parents skills and resources to address their child's difficulties. The MST program has 9 principles that you are supposed to design programs around. The principles are finding the fit, focusing on the positives and strengths, increasing responsibility, present focused, action-oriented, and well-defined, targeting sequences, developmentally appropriate, continuous effort, evaluation and accountability, and generalization. So that is what this program is about. Thank you.